But there is one last thing I'd like to talk to you about today. This next thing's a little unusual for us. It's a sneak peek of a product that will be announced in the first calendar quarter of 2007. We usually keep things pretty corralled until we're ready to ship them, but in this case, I think it completes the story, and to understand where we're going, I'd like you to get a sneak peek of this. So we decided to go ahead and show it to you today.
Hey everyone, my name is Tzachi Kraus and welcome to my channel Tech Unboxing New and Vintage. I have been an Apple collector for more than 15 years, and in my channel you can see some of my vintage collections. In today's video I will show you the first generation Apple TV, which is one of my favorite vintage products. I will try to turn it on after 14 years. We will compare with the last 4K 2021 and I will appraise its worth and recommend if you should buy it and save for the distant future. This specific product is from my private collection, so it is definitely brand new and sealed. Together with you, it will be the first time I unbox this package, so let's move ahead to see what is in the box. Hey guys, and now let's summarize. Steve Jobs introduced the first generation Apple TV in 2006 with the name called iTV, and in the year 2007 Apple began to sell it as the Apple TV with two different storage capacities, 40 GB, but the 160 GB was released 2 months later. Both devices arrived with the same system, macOS XS. And now, should you buy this product in sealed condition and save it? Definitely yes. First, the prices at eBay are still low, around $300. Second, this is a Steve Jobs product. Third, in my opinion, Apple will stop with its production, and that's because now that the smart TVs have the Apple apps, which are the Apple Music and Apple TV, and need to use this product drop. So if Apple will stop its production, automatically the price will rise. If there are any specific issue you would like me to address, write a comment below. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, please do so. That way you will receive all my new updates. Thanks for watching and looking forward to seeing you in my next video.